Want to withdraw Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Cash App on your phone and tap the Bitcoin tab, then select Deposit Bitcoin, and then copy the Bitcoin address. Second, go to the crypto exchange or wallet where your Bitcoin is stored, click on Bitcoin, and then choose Withdraw or Send Bitcoin. Fourth, paste your address wallet here that you got from Cash App into the recipients field. Double check every character. Crypto transfers cannot be reversed. Fifth, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer. Always check the network fees and ensure you have enough BTC to cover them. Sixth, select the correct Bitcoin network. BTC. Do not use Lightning or any network unless Cash App explicitly supports it for deposits. Seventh, confirm the withdrawal with 2FA or email verification if your exchange requires it. Finally, wait for the blockchain confirmations. In most cases, your Bitcoin should appear in your Cash App wallet within 30 to 60 minutes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.